Well, today is a cat standing in front of my car and it jumped on me again. Uh, what a cat. Wants so much attention. Okay, what am I doing here? Okay, today is February 26th. I can't even hold. My phone's still. February 26th, 2024, 6:50 a.m. No, cat. Settle down. There you go. I'm going to use one hand to hold the cat. Walking back and forth on my shoulders. Yeah. I have no plans today except I might be going to town to buy a new TV. I can't believe it. Last night the TV just went black. Sound still works, but I can't. And I can turn it on and off, but I can't do anything with it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna. I looked at it was going bad anyway. It was starting to get real dim. Like they had dark spots in it, shady spots across it. Anyway, finally went dark last night. All of a sudden. Okay, then I didn't know what to do with it. I can turn it on and off, but nothing, and the sound works, but that's about it. That's it. Anyway, that's my problem. I don't even know how long I've had it. I'm getting off track here. I was going to do something today. Do some brush clearing in the ditch. At least that's what I was thinking about doing. But maybe I'll hold off on that now. Supposed to warm up today in the 70s, so that's why I decided to do it. But like I said, it's another one of those days. Gotta do what I gotta do. I don't need a TV, but I sure like to have it. At least one that works. Okay, I gotta get this cat off of me. Get your butt out of my face. There's the hay I fed yesterday. Ah! Cat! Get out of here. Climbed up on my back. Oh, look. I scared a couple deer over there in that field. Oh, three of them. When I yelled, scared the cat. Scared the deer. Cat clawed me in my back. There they go. Running across that field. What possesses this cat to climb on me? Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, yeah, that's the bale I fed yesterday, and they didn't roll it out yet. So that's good. And there's the hay from last week. And there's the sun coming up. So. Okay, what was I saying? Oh, yeah, today's February 26th, 2024. It's a Monday morning. Yeah, I'm sad about my TV. I don't know what happened to it. Everything went black. But the sound still works. I'm gonna go in the store and ask them if they take what do you call those? Exchange. What do you call it? Anyway, I don't want to keep the TV if it don't work, so I want to be able to get a new TV and give them the old one if they do it. If not, I'll just have to find some other way to. I already got enough old TVs. I need to find some place to take them. It's been a good TV up till lately. I said it's starting to get dark areas in it. I can still see it. The image still there. It's just gonna dark. It's like the backlighting was going out, but now it just went completely dark. So I don't know what caused that. Anyway, that's gotta see if I get another one, and that's gonna be a pain. With all that, I gotta figure out how to hook it up and I guess what do they call it? Program it. I hate that. Get everything, make sure it works the same as the one I got now. The one I got now is like a 40-inch, so I think what I was looking at before was like a 43-inch, same brand, and around just under $300. And then it's a little bit bigger, so that's not so bad. Okay, I gotta go. Get ready to go to town. Looking for TV. Well, today is still February 26th, 2024. And I just came back from shopping. Bought a few things. And I just want to take a look at my hay bale I set out yesterday. They ate some of it, and they didn't roll it yet, so that's good. Okay, let's head up to the house, which is up there. Okay. Well, I'm back from shopping, and I bought a TV. I bought another Hisense TV. It's my old one was Hisense. I'm gonna have to take it out of the house and try to get that one hooked up and make it work like I did the other one. Anyway, while I was in that town, while I was in the store, because everything's Walmart, of course, I bought a few other supplies too, some more food. I didn't really need it, but since I was already there, I didn't want to waste a trip, so I went and stocked up. Food. Okay. Gotta keep the furnace burning. That's my furnace anyway. Anyway, I think today I spent around, well, I also bought I didn't buy it at Walmart. I bought one of those, what do you call it? Power strips with a surge protector. I bought a new one because the one that I was using is pretty old, so I want to make sure I got a good one for the new TV. Anyway, I'm going to unload everything and see what I can do with that TV. Hopefully I can get it all set up and programmed the way it's supposed to be to make it work. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's take the next step. Unload. I'm going to bring the old TV out first. Oh, there's the old TV. Like I said, last night the screen just went dark. It's been having problems with it for about a month now, I guess. Maybe a little longer. I kept getting the top is getting real dark. And then some stripes down there got dark. And then the whole thing was almost dark. Not dark, just darker. I mean, like the backlighting was going out, the backlighting. But I could still see the picture. It just had a little darker. But last night, everything just went shoop, dark, and I can turn it on and off because there's a red button, that red light down there. But I couldn't set the options for TV, AV, HDMI, and all that stuff. I couldn't set that, so I could set it, but I had to do it without saying anything because nothing would come up on the screen. So anyway, that's the old one. It's still that's a Hisense too, but it's a 40-inch. The one I bought is a 43-inch because that's the smallest one they had, cheapest one. I think it was like $228 with tax. and everything was $247 something, and a power strip. Yeah, that was another $27, I think. And then anyway, that's the old one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I got 1, 2, 3. I got about three old TVs. I still need to figure out what to do with it. I just don't know what to do with them after they break down. Anyway, those are the old kind. This was my first widescreen TV. Now I got the second one. I don't even know what year it was I bought it. The old one here. Anyway, it served me well up until now. So time for a change. I just hope I can make the new one work right. Well, this is the new TV. I haven't taken it out of the box yet, but I like the price. $228 for 43-inch, and it's made in Mexico. Well, better than made in China, I guess. All right. Anyway, it's this 43 is about the same size that will fit on my top of my TV stand. So I just gotta take it out of the box and see if I can hook it up correctly and get everything to work the same as the old one, or better than the old one. I should say better. Okay, as long as I can program my channels, or whatever channels I can get anyway. Uh-oh, cat's behind me. Don't jump on me. You better not jump on me. Anyway, that's what I bought today, and see if I can get it hooked up. All right, let's unload that and unload groceries. Don't, cat, stop. Okay, that's all. Today is still February 26, 2023. It's about 11 a.m. now or so, a little after. Cattle are up there. Staying out of the wind, I guess. Wind's from the west today. Warm wind though. I don't need a coat today. But listen to the frogs. Can you hear the frogs? They're down in that wet spot down there where those tall grasses are. Yeah, I don't hear none over here on the pond. I can hear them down there. If I get too close, they'll shut up. And if they hear me talking, they'll... Yeah, but that's the sure sign of spring. Today's going to be around 70, maybe a little above. And their grass is picking up. Somebody coming by. The bale's over that way, somewhere up there, bottom of that hill. I can barely see it. That's the hay I fed last week. Yeah, but like I said, spring's in the air. It's only what, 3 weeks away, three or 4 weeks away. Less than 4 weeks. About just over 3 weeks away. March 21. Little over 3 weeks. Anyway, that's enough for here. I'm going to go back to the house and set up my TV. Well, there's the legs and the control. Let's see what else I can find in there. Well, there's a TV in the box. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Well, this is the new power strip I bought. I'll show you the old one after I unplug it. Okay, let me take it out of the box. Well, that should be enough for what I need. Actually, the cord's a little bit too long, but I bought this at Lowe's because I didn't think Walmart would have any good ones. Anyway,
That should work. Okay, let me switch it out with the other one. Well, that's the old power cord, or the old, what do they call it? I forgot the name of it now. Yeah. Power strip. Yeah, power strip. Okay, let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on there. I think I got 6 on the new one too. Okay. But I can still use it somewhere though. Yeah. So I'm not going to throw it away. I hardly ever throw anything away. Not even the old TVs. Yet, anyway. Okay, let me plug everything in and see if I can get this TV to work. Well, got the new TV plugged in. And then it turned on. Now I just got to figure out how to get this all programmed the way I want. I got one more thing to plug in from my PC. I got to plug something in from there. Okay, let's see if I can do that. Well, that's my new TV control. It's much different than my old TV. I can change channels here and a bunch of other stuff. But I don't know what I can do on this one. I have to read the instructions. It's weird. I hope I can change channels on this, because that's the only reason I use the TV is change channels. I don't have all this. I don't have Netflix. I don't have Paramount. I don't have whatever that is. That says Apple TV Plus. So I don't have that, and I don't even know what that is. Roku TV. I don't know what that is. Okay, well, like I said, I'll read the instructions. There's something on the side here. I don't know what that's for. I'll read it. I'll read about it. I do have instructions. So I do have instructions here. Quick setup guide. Rise sense. I don't know. Well, I didn't really do too much research on this. I just bought the cheapest one that had the HDMI. I had to make sure about that and the other stuff. I can plug an antenna into it. And this here, I can always call that if I need help setting it up. Well, we'll find out. I'll go through the instruction manual and see what happens. Well, today's February 26, 2024. It's a Monday. I bought a new TV and I wanted to do something outside today since it's 70. Looks like it's almost 72. And then I'm stuck in the house working on this, setting up this TV. Anyway, it'll be warm again tomorrow, so maybe I'll get something done tomorrow. Okay, that's all. Back to the TV. I guess this is everything I need to know about my TV control, new TV control. So I guess I'll study it and see if I can get the TV to operate the way I want. Well, I finally got my new TV set up. I got my computer connected to it with an HDMI cable, so I can, whatever I can see on my computer monitor, I can see on the TV, because I need it, because my monitor don't have sound, so I need to have the TV to get sound when I watch my videos. And then I got the DVD hooked up. Sometimes I watch DVDs and I play them on here. It shows them on here. And then the one on the left that says live TV, that's for my TV channels. The only channels that came in was channel 8 channels. For some reason the regular channels don't, like 4 and 5 and 11. whatever channels I used to get, I can't see them anymore. I'm gonna have to figure that out, how that works. They show up. They scanned. They were able to. I was able to scan them, and they popped up that way. But I just can't seem to get them to anything showing us. There's no signal. Okay, well I'll have to keep playing with that. But at least I got channel 8. Which ain't much. But the main thing is I can play my videos and DVDs on the TV, and that's at least half the battle. All right, and I got my called media thing. I can hook my external hard drives into it on the USB there, and I can watch everything on them on here too. I just have to take it from my computer to here. Okay, but I usually just watch them through my computer onto the TV. Alright, that's all for now. I'm going to keep playing with it, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, I got my control. I want to flip it over to there. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to hit that. There, I got my movie that I took this morning. That's my first video that I took this morning. So no, that's connected to my computer right now. All right, so that's one. That's half what I use the TV for. The other half is to watch TV shows, and no, that's the third. I use the TV to watch my videos off from my computer, and I watch TV channels, regular TV channels that I don't have to pay for, and but for right now they're not coming in. They scanned and showed up, but then the only channel that I can actually watch is channel 8, channel 8, the public television channels, and then I forgot what I was going to say. And then I also use the TV to watch my DVDs from my DVD player. Okay. Let me go back and find something else. I switched it over to live TV. This is channel 8 up there. That's channel 8. Now I'm gonna make it big. I got the sound turned off because I don't want to be listening to them. Some kind of cooking show. But that's the live TV. And then I go here. If I hit for the channels, those are the channels that I can get, but nothing comes in. Yeah. Actually, only channels that come in are 4 and 8. There's something on the 11, but there's nothing there. And those 35s, there's nothing there too. I don't know. And the VCR thing, I don't know what that is. But the other ones, the KMOV, My TV, Cozy thing, those used to come in. I used to watch them. Anyway, let's get out of that. Might be a copyright there. How do I get out? Okay. At least there was no sound. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing with it. See if I can find those channels and get them to be able to watch them. There must be a way. I might need a new antenna now. One of those HD. I got one of the old antennas. But we'll see. See what I can get. If I need a new antenna, I'll buy one. Just putting it up on top of the antenna tower, that's the hard part. Well, I got the TV to work. Yeah, I can get these 4 channels, the 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the 8s, and the 8 channels. That's all I can get, but I'll keep trying. What I did, I unplugged the TV from the antenna from the what do you call it? I unplugged it from the DVD player to and I just plugged it straight into the antenna. I don't know if that helped, but it's helping a little bit. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, that's for the live TV. At least I get a few channels. Not as many as I want. Like I said, I'm thinking about buying one of those HD TV antennas. I was going to do that a long time ago, but it's about getting it up onto the tower. That's the hard part. Too tall for me, and I'll have to hire somebody with one of those machines that can reach to the top, like with a arm or something. Anyway, I'm done. I can do what I want to do with it now. Okay. That's all. Catch you on the next one. All right, bye. Well, today's still February 26, 2024. Oh, I said I was down there listening to the frogs. I said 2023. So, look at the wind though. I was in the house. I was setting up my TV. And boy, oh boy, it's I think it's around 4:30. I think it's around 4:30 now. I forgot to look. I think it's around 3:30 or 4:30, something like that. Anyway, the sun's getting low, and it's pretty windy today. When I was in the house working on it, setting up the TV, I could hear the wind blowing outside, shaking the house. Ugh, it's windy. Look at those trees. Look at that trees there. Really? It's from the south. Temperature 72 degrees. Over here, I said, oh, look at the cattle. There you are. Yeah, they weren't out here earlier, but they're here now. Oh, look at this wind. So strong. Hi, blowing me over. I already see it blowing here on these cedars. Look at them. Windy. Looks nice though. What's that? There's some noise. There's noise over there. I have to go check that out. Sounds like a piece of tin. Hope I don't have no tin loose on the shed. I think it was that gate. I got a metal gate there. I'll check it, make sure it came untied, didn't come untied. Oh, there they are. There's that sick one over there with the lump in her throat on this side. Big swelling. Oh, they're eating that hay up pretty good. Yeah. Grass a little greener. Just a little greener. Every day it gets a little greener. Oh. In the house most of the day working on that, setting up my new TV. But I got everything hooked up the way it was before. Setting up the channels is a little bit different than the old TV. But I think I'm getting the hang of it. Problem is I'm not getting as many channels as I got before, so I may have to look into getting a new HD antenna, because my old antenna is just the old, very old kind before they came out with HD. So that's probably why I'm not getting very many. Anyway, I'll take care of that some other time. Main thing is I got the computer hooked up to it so I can watch my videos and listen to my videos and listen to YouTube too. So because I get my YouTube through my computer, and then my TV has the sound. I had to hook up the TV to get sound from my computer. Sounds comes through my TV. Works out pretty good. Okay, well, I'm tired of this wind. Look at the wind. Finish up this video. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh boy. February 26, 2024. My neighbors got their tractor. They must have been working in the trees there. They're driving their tractor back to their house over there. Yeah. I can hear his tractor. The wind died down just a bit. It was so windy a few minutes ago. Now it's got a calm spell right here. The wind's hard to deal with. Sun's. I think it's around. I didn't look at the clock. Yeah, it's close to 4 o'clock anyway. Either before or after 4. Yeah, oh, there's that wind. Here comes the wind again. Oh, I better block the microphone. Yeah, I always forget about the microphone. Anyway, look at those trees going in the wind. Yeah, I can hear the wind blow through those tall trees. Well, I'm about done today. I'm not gonna work. I don't like working in the wind. I don't like doing anything in the wind. Okay, I'm gonna close this out. Call it a day. I got my TV hooked up. That's all I wanted to do today. Okay, and the wind stopped me from doing anything else. Tomorrow's another day, so it's going to be another warm day tonight. Tomorrow. Oh, while I was in, I didn't mention it before, but when I was buying after I bought my before and after I bought my new TV at the Walmart parking lot, there was lots and lots and lots of seagulls flying around, making lots of noise. Felt like I was down in Florida or something. There were seagulls everywhere. I guess they were migrating from down south to up north. I'm not sure where they're headed, but I've seen seagulls around the Walmart parking lot before, so nothing new. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. Alright, sun's going behind a cloud now. Alright, see you later. Catch you on the next one. Bye. Well, still February 26th, 2024. I think the time is 4:50 p.m. and I remember I had to come over here and check out what was making that noise, and I found out that this gate here came untied. So I'm going to tie it. It's been swinging. Watch this. That's what I've been hearing. That's what I've been hearing. So I'm going to open this gate back up. Oh, it's looking strong. I lost my wire. I had a wire here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Oh, the wire broke. That's why. Okay, let me go ahead and fix it. Windy. So windy. Oh, I got it tied back up. It's not very good. I got to pipe it again. Wind's blowing me over. Oh, there's my bottom down there. Hey! Oh, you probably can't hear me. The wind's so strong. Oh boy. Yeah, it's hard to deal with this wind. Since I'm here, I'm going to check something. I think I need to give another salt block. Look at that limb fell down. Ain't no trees fell on. I had a salt block. Yeah, there's that mineral block over there. I had another one somewhere. Yeah. I got another one over there. Oh, there's not much left. I better get another one. This is that old hay that they had in there. It's pretty soft. It's going to turn it into soil. I think I'm going to come in here with my wheelbarrow and pick this stuff up. Put it in the garden. It's all rotten manure. Might even get some of that dry stuff in there too. Okay. They got a little salt there, but I don't think they eat that. That's that selenium. That's a green one, green block. They're not eating it very good. Oh, let me go over here. You can hear them frogs. Listen to them. Listen to the frogs. Listen to the frogs. Hey, there's a tire down there. Maybe one of my tires rolled down there. I'll go pick it up. Yeah, listen to the frogs. They're in that wet spot down that way. Yeah. Yeah. Cattle are eating the hay over there on the left side of that, on that hill, and then the bottom is starting to turn green. Weather's warming up slowly. They'll get there. That tree looks like it don't have much life left in it. I remember that tree. Nice one. Okay, let me end this video here before I get blown away. Here's where the cattle hang out on the side of this hill. On top here. I think they can come here to get out of the wind, which is what I'm going to do right now. Pretty windy. Yeah, they're rubbing on this. This was a walnut tree. It grew for quite a while. Then the cattle started rubbing on it, and they wound up killing it. Or it grew over in a storm, something. Here's the top of it. Yeah. I need to go in the barn, see if those groundhogs are coming back. Yeah. Nice view up here. You can see my overflow. The water's still lower than the overflow. Goes across that way. Yeah, there it is. There's the house. Yep. Just taking a few photos. Now that I learned I can take photos while I'm recording. I think that's something. It's been there the whole time. I just found it a few days ago. Oh, gotta get out of that wind. That wind is scary. I'm gonna go in the barn and take a look outside, see if them groundhogs are coming out. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, what's going on there? What happened? What happened? They were all running. Maybe the wind scared them. They were all running away from something. What's going on? Looks like they're afraid of something. Maybe it was the wind.
wind scares me, I know that. Okay, I'm going to end it here. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Well, I was going to end it here, but I'm going to end it here. Just wanted to get a video of the pond and the wind and my trailer and the baler and the house and everything on this side. Oh look, there's a jug floating across the pond. Looks like a plastic jug floating across. Okay, I gotta go in the house. It's too windy out here for me. It's not cold or nothing, but it's just windy. Okay, let's take a photo. Okay, yeah, if you hear silence, that's me taking a photo. Okay, let's go. I'm done. Catch you on the next one. Bye. I don't know if anybody can hear me with the wind blowing so hard, but it's 5 p.m. on February 26, 2024. Sun's still pretty high. I think the sun goes down about 5:45. About another 45 minutes and it'll be down. Anyway, the wind's blowing so hard today. Okay. Look at those cedar trees over there. Trying to block the microphone with my hand. I don't know if that is helping or not, but everything is wind blowing so hard. It's tiring. Okay, I'm gonna go in the house and get out of this wind. Okay, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Well, let's try to. As I was walking back to the house, I saw the cattle down there. I guess they're eating the grass on the bank of that pond there. They're eating the grass that's growing there while they're standing in the water. Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking about. Oh, the wind again. I'm thinking about having that pond dug out after I move these 3 out of here. And there was only going to be 1 in here. I might hire a track hoe this summer and have that dug out from all sides. This bucket might reach something anyway, at least to make it deeper, make it hold more water, because it's filled up with a lot of silt over the years. Look at how they're eating that grass. Either that or just trying to stay out of the wind. Anyway, I'm going to go in the house. Alright, catch you later. Catch you on the next one. Bye. Yeah, there's always one more video, ain't there? Anyway, that sick one there, the lump in her throat, or neck, is what we call it, neck? Yeah, throat, neck, something. But anyway, she's getting a chance to eat, so hey now. I'm just glad she's still eating good. And the other was, they're down there. I guess they're getting a drink, but they're also eating the grass on the side of the back of the pond while they're in the water. Okay, I'm ready to call it a day. This wind is just too strong. Okay. Okay, girl. You make sure you get enough to eat. Alright. Alright. Catch you on the next one. Bye.